Manipur ki Regional Institute of Medical Sciences asi All India Institute of Medical Sciences ki Thak ta Onkhatpiyu HAINA Lok Sabha ki member Dr. ANGOMCHA BIMOL AKOIJAM na ngarang Parliament ki 0 hour matam da Union Health Ministry ki PUKNING CHINGSHINKHRE 0 hour ki khudong chaba lawraga Manipur ki MP Dr. ANGOMCHA BIMOL AKOIJAM na Union Health and Family Welfare Ministry ki PUKNING CHINGSINLADuna hai Manipur lairiba chahi 92 suraba Regional Institute of Medical Sciences asigi matangda hanadagi All India Institute of Medical Sciences ki Thak ta pukhatna na wafam ngangnaduna lakli masimak yamna mathau tama mani maram aduna RIMS pu Institute of Medical Importance oina sakhang bibaga loinana AIMS ki Thak ta pukhatpiyu Makna makatana High Institute asina masak naiba health professional kya puthokuna leipak asigi hospital amasung medical college kayada amadi atopa leipak sing dasu mathau tori hospital asina yumthang namba street kayadi patient kaya su khudong chaba piri madu khaktana tana Myanmar gumba India ga yumthang nari wa leipak sing dagi mi kaya hospital asina laying balakli Manipur ge Senmilon fagat hanana wa education amasung health sector fagat hanbagi tangai fadaba lei state asigi Senmilon chawkhat hanbada achobu mating ama oina wa state asigi medical institute asi AIMS ki Thak ta pukhatpa mathau tai awang nongpok lamdam asi matam sangna muknaba leibana reason asi yamna sokhan badana tana wakhal leina ga mari leina ba anabai mayam ama leiri urbanization ki thabak khongjal yangna changshilakpada imung manunggi Mari dasu achoba chaithing pirakle masigi mathakta Manipur da hojik thokliba irang asisu drug mafia ga mari leinei haibasi miyamna khangi street asigi nahakya drug ka mari leinaba thodok singi victim moiri pumnamak asina maram oiraga street asida center da chalaiba medical hospital amari institute ama Manipur da thambiu hainasu MP Dr. ANGOMCHA BIMOL AKOIJAM na Union Health Minister ki PUKNING CHINGSHINKHRE
regarding a 52-year institute in the state of Manipur called the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences. There has been talk about converting this institute into an All India Institute of Medical Sciences, I think which is needed, and I would request the Health Minister to either declare and recognize this institute as an institute of national importance and preferably convert it into an AIMS. I would like to remind the Minister that this institute has produced health professionals who have been serving in hospitals and medical colleges across the country as well as abroad, and it caters to patients in the neighboring states. Not only that, even foreign countries like Myanmar, we have patients from there. So as we know that the economic development of the region and the state in particular, we need to revamp the education and health sector. So it will go a long way in the economic development planning of the state to revamp this medical institute as an All India Institute of Medical Sciences.